The question number 25 says A part, write the cell reaction and calculate the EMF of the following cell at 298 Kelvin, Sn solid, Sn2 plus at 0.004 m, H plus at 0.020 m, H2 gram 1 bar, and platinum solid, given E naught Sn2 plus Sn is equal to 0.14 volt. B part is give reasons. On the basis of E naught values, oxygen gas should be liberated at anode, but it is Cl2 gas, which is liberated in the electrolysis of aqueous NaCl. Second part is conductivity of CS3COOH decreases on dilution. Now the OR part, its A part is for the reaction 2AgCl plus H2 gives 2Ag plus 2H 0.1 m plus 2Cl minus 0.1 m, where delta G is equal to minus 43,600 joules at 25 degrees centigrade. Calculate the EMF of the cell, and the value of log 10 minus n is equal to minus n. And the B part says define fuel cell and write its two advantages. For the 25 first question A part, we first write the equation as Sn plus 2H plus gives Sn2 plus H2. We need to balance out the equation. This is a must. We then put it in the formula that E is equal to E naught minus 0.059 by 2 log Sn2 plus upon H plus whole square. So when we solve this equation, we get 0.14 minus 0.0295 log 10 is equal to 0.11 volt by 0.1105 volt. Now the B part, which said that O2 gas should be liberated at anode, but it is Cl2 gas on the electrolysis of aqueous NaCl. The reason is due to overpotential and overvoltage of O2. And the second part was conductivity of CS3COOH decreases on dilution. Its reason is the number of ions per unit volume decreases. Now for the OR part and its A part, we needed to calculate the EMF of the cell, where delta G was given as minus 43,600. So we know the delta G formula is equal to delta G naught is equal to minus NF E naught. So as we put in the values, we get E naught as 0.226 volt, and when we put it in the formula, E is equal to E naught minus 0.059 by 2 log H plus whole square Cl minus whole square by H2. So we get the final answer as 0.226 plus 0.118, that is 0.344 volt. Now its B part was that to define fuel cell and write its two advantages. So the fuel cells are the cells that convert the energy of combustion of fuels like hydrogen, methane, methanol, etc. directly into electrical energy. Advantages are high efficiency and non-polluting.